Hey y'all, it's Nita, and today we're talking about red lipstick. Yes girl, red lipstick. It is the season for red lipstick. I feel like every woman needs a red lipstick. Like, red lipstick is my absolute favorite, and I know a lot of women of color are kind of nervous about wearing red, just from my experience being a makeup artist and just from what I hear from other women. So I wanted to show you guys my favorite red lipsticks, and just lipsticks that I feel like are kind of universal for women of color. So if you're interested, stay tuned and keep on watching. Oh, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with somebody who needs some help with red. it to just now, no particular reason, but I just kind of do that a little bit till it dries down. So let me let it do that. All right, you guys, so this is my all-time favorite red. This is the Colored Rain Cherry Blossom. I think this is very universal for all skin tones, all skin types, from the most chocolatey of chocolates to the most bright pale person ever. Like, I love this red. I have used this. I have one for my kid when I was doing makeup. I've used this on some of everybody, and this red, like, every time I put this on somebody or put it on myself, I get nonstop compliments and people just asking me what red this is. This is my all-time favorite red lipstick, and I think this is also the most universal. It's just a very true red, blue-based red. So this is Cherry Blossom. If you don't get nothing else, you should definitely get this one, okay? All right, back with the ashy lips. Going to use a little bit of moisturizer on my lips. And yeah, for this next lipstick, we're going to again use my MAC Night Moth lip liner because I can't find my Vino. I hate that. So if you want something a little bit lighter than this Night Moth, then MAC Vino is a good lighter burgundy. This is more of a deeper wine color, but we just gonna use it because can't find it. And y'all, I do, Lord, I got lipstick on my teeth. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So I'm going to line kind of heavy this time because this lip is darker, so I can line heavier. Okay. And now I'm going to use this NYX liquid shade. NYX liquid shade lipstick, oh my god, NYX liquid suede. I cannot talk. In this shade. Hopefully it'll focus. It will not focus. Okay, it's the number 3. I don't know what the name is, but it's number 3, NYX liquid suede. And gonna pop this on. All right, let me let it dry down some and I'll be back to show you guys. All right, you guys, so this is lip number 3, the NYX liquid suede. I cannot say that. In the shade number 3, it doesn't have a name on it, just says number 3 on the bottom. And I think this is the perfect lip, again, for the lady who doesn't want the brighter reds. The other two may be a little bit too bright for you. This will be a great alternative. It's more of a deeper brick red in my opinion. I love it. Again, it's not so wham bam in your face, but it is still a nice red. Great for the holidays. Great for, you know, if you just want to throw on a nice red lipstick. So I really like this, and it's super affordable. I can't remember how much this was. I feel like I got it for $3 from the beauty supply, but NYX lipsticks are very affordable. So definitely check this out if you're in the market for a red and you know the others are a little bit too bright. This is a great option. So yeah, let's get into lip number 4. Okay. So the third lipstick that we are going to talk about is again by Colored Rain, and this is called Roulette. This I'm putting it in the red family, but it's actually a burgundy. So if you're not a fan of reds or bright reds, I think this is definitely a good red alternative. So I'm going to use my MAC Night Moth lip liner again. And doing the same thing, just gonna line and rub my lips together to kind of get it to fade. And this time, because this lipstick is darker, I am using a bit more because I can, because it's a darker lipstick. And again, you can use this if you have a brighter red that you want to tone down. You can do this same concept, you just use more liner. I didn't use as much with the Cherry Blossom because I didn't want the ombre dark lip effect. I want to show you guys the true color of the lipstick. So now, this is the Roulette. Okay, this is darker than I remembered, but I love it nonetheless. I'm trying to think if I'm gonna still include it in the video or if I'm gonna edit it out. I don't know, but if I choose to leave it, I'm just gonna record this in case. But it is matte, so I'm gonna let it dry down and come back to y'all once it's dried. Alright you guys, so this is the Colored Rain shade Roulette. It is a very deep wine color that I absolutely love. Like I said, this shade is not necessarily red, but I put it in the video because, you know, I know everybody doesn't love reds and everything, but I think this is a great alternative if you don't want a bright red lipstick, but you want something kind of in the family a little bit. I think that this would give you a nice, you know, pop of color, but you know, if you just don't like the bright reds, then something this deep may work for you guys. So I love it, and if you guys want to try it out, it is the Colored Rain Roulette. And like I said, just keep in mind that these liquid lipsticks are a little bit drying, so you definitely want to moisturize your lips first and pop this on, okay? Alright you guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know down below which lipstick was your favorite. If you have any of these lipsticks or if you plan on trying any of them, let me know that as well. And also, if there's a video that you would like to see, a question that you have, something you want me to do a video on, please leave a comment down below and let me know so I can make sure I'm making videos that you guys enjoy. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!